In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change the app icon color on iPhone. If you want to change the color of your apps on your iPhone, it's very simple. I'm gonna be showing you that real quick. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to tap and hold on the screen. Just tap anywhere on the screen and hold it. Once you tap anywhere on the screen and hold it, if you check the top left corner, you're going to see edit. Tap on that edit. So once you tap on edit, I want you to tap on customize. Just tap on customize. So once you tap on customize, it pops up something for you. If you check the down part here, you're going to see where it says light, dark, automatic, and tinted. So this is already on light mode or automatic mode. So we want to change our app icons, our apps icon to our apps icon color to dark. So let's tap on dark. So once we tap on dark, the apps icons will be changed to dark. As you can see, before it was light, but now it is now dark. So you just want to tap on the screen again and it will remain permanent. As you can see, we now have a dark apps icon color. So guys, this is how you can actually change the color of your apps on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.